So folks, myself, I come from up here in Scotland. My wife, she comes from East Ukraine. We thought it'd be a great idea to take the bikes from Florida, where we live, to ride a journey from here all the way across Russia, all the way back around here. The only problem is for me. Hi, hello! Hello, how are you all? Bonjour! Guten Tag, wie geht's? Привет, товарищ. 15 countries from the old Soviet bloc, approximately 265 million people still speak Russian to this day. So the common language, for example, if somebody in Kazakhstan would like to speak to somebody in Lithuania or Moldova, they're going to speak in Russian. So please join me on my journey of exploration as I learn Russian. This is my book, so what I learn, I thought I'd pass on to you guys, and hopefully you can learn a little something too. My aim today is to give you a little bit of an introduction to Russian. The Russian language across the former Soviet bloc was a mandatory lesson for, like I said, 265 million people, either as their first language or as their second language. And to this day, 15 countries still speak Russian. Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Estonia, Georgia, Latvia, Lithuania, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Ukraine and Uzbekistan. Whilst English is gaining popularity in the younger generations, the older generations still speak Russian and probably will continue to do so for a couple more generations. So it is going to be helpful for me and anyone who's traveling across that part of the world. So my objective today is to give you a basic 20 words in Russian. You're going to be able to speak 10 and read 10. And believe it or not, words that you're going to learn you probably already know, but just didn't realize they were the same in Russian as they are in English. Airport, bank, bar, basketball, buffet, bureau, garage, cafe, kiosk, class. The Russian alphabet has 33 letters in total, of which 10 vowels and 23 consonants. Let's look at the vowels a little bit closer. A, as in father. O, as in hello. U, as in rule. E, as in echo. E, as in Harry. Ya, as in Yahoo. Ye, as in yes. E, as in bee. Yo, as in yo-yo. U, as in union. However, although a lot of the letters look the same, only 3 of them actually are the same. K, T, M. Being able to pronounce your vowels and 3 consonants, K, T and M, we can learn another 10 words. Kit, kot, koma, kito, mama, mak, muka, mat, moto, tema. If you enjoyed my lesson, please hit the like button. If you want to continue learning Russian with me, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Пока, товарищи!